and Dada put that together? Did you and Dada put that together? What's that? Oh, you got your other truck? Can you say thank you to Uncle Kevin and Auntie Ann? Charlie. Good job. Can you come give them a kiss? Come kiss the camera. Uncle Kevin and Auntie Ann gave that to you. Here, kiss this way. Good job. Okay, go get your tractor.
Oh.
There's the tractor. What's it gonna do? Alright, go say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Is that the bye-bye dance? Charlie, do you like your tractor? Did you have a fun birthday? Okay, bye-bye.